In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can enable two-factor authentication on your Facebook account. You can simply turn on two-factor authentication to your Facebook account in just few simple steps. To do this, simply head into your Facebook. On Menus page, scroll down onto the Settings and Privacy option. Select Privacy Shortcuts. In the section of Account Security, tap on the last option of Use Two-Factor Authentication. On this page, you will have to choose on these three security methods. You can either enable two-factor authentication using your Authentication app, text message, or security key. Let's mark on the Authentication app as it's also recommended by Facebook too. Tap on Continue. You can either scan this QR code or tap on Continue to enter the 6 digits code from your Authentication app. Go to the Authentication app and get the codes. That's how easy it is to enable two-factor authentication to your Facebook account. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.